Canva is a top favorite for many designers because it's easy to use, has a large application base, and is very suitable for beginners. You can also earn a living with Canva. How do we make money with Canva? It's pretty easy. Welcome to Profit Avenue. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money with Canva. I'll be telling you all you need to know about the Canva Affiliates program and creating products for both online promotions and sales. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Now it's time to answer your most pressing question. How do we make money with Canva? The Canva Affiliates Program. Canva's website is just as easy to use as making money from it. You can create multiple designs for various projects. Whether it's a video, a presentation, poster, logo, Instagram post, or a simple infographic, Canva has tools suited for it. Canva has a free version that can be used to create designs, but the Canva Affiliates program is available to only Canva Pro users. Only 3 steps are required to earn money with Canva Pro. Number 1. Register as an affiliate. Number 2. Promote Canva Pro. And number 3. Start earning. You get paid for helping to grow the Canva user base. Each new user that joins Canva using your unique code can earn you up to $36. So registering 10 users can get you... Sorry, I don't have a calculator. Just check that up, would you? Canva also supports you to help you earn smoothly. There are timely payments and priority support features, and you can track your results to see your progress. Register as an affiliate. This is an easy step. You click Sign Up if you're not a Canva Pro user. After signing up, you click Join Now on the affiliates page. A submission page is displayed for you to fill in your details, and once that's done, you are ready to earn. Promote Canva Pro. The whole idea of making money with Canva is to promote Canva using Canva for Canva. You will need to create a design that you can post on a platform to engage others and eventually get some others to sign up for Canva Pro. But first, you need to get a platform. I would suggest Facebook and Instagram, but these are not the only online platforms you can use. Pinterest is also a good choice. I recommend Facebook because it's easier to track organic growth, which would serve you well. The first step is to search for groups that are related to graphic design. Typing graphic design in the search bar would bring up some results. Some groups have as many as 500,000 members, while others may be under 100,000. Pick a group with a sizable number of members because that would mean your promotions would reach a larger audience. Fortunately, Facebook's algorithm brings up the top groups when you search, and these groups have thousands of members. Select one of the groups and join. A quick scroll through the group would show you other posts and give you an idea of the group culture. Now it's time to create a design to promote. Go back to canva.com and open a blank canvas. Click on Customize Size on the homepage to customize the width and height of the canvas. Then click Create a Design at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the canvas, you can pick from a host of tools to design from. In Elements, you can choose a picture, lay it on the canvas, and put other images on it. Your finished design can then be saved and uploaded to the Facebook group. If you're still following me, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more videos just like this one. Also, don't forget that there is a competition going on right now, and there is $100 for 10 lucky subscribers. Looks like you will be making money by just knowing how to make money with Canva. Start earning. This is the most enjoyable step, trust me. Canva pays you within 30 days of the first click of a new user. You have a choice to choose between direct bank payment and PayPal. Canva does not support other online payment systems besides PayPal, so you'll have to use the traditional banking system or get a PayPal account. Earn as a Canva creator. You didn't think all you had was just one option, did you? You can also make money on Canva as a creator. And now you want to know how to make money on Canva as a creator without any art or inventory? I got you covered. Clicking on Customize Size opens a blank canvas where you can create your art. For your art, there are several platforms to sell them on, as well as various forms they can be used. Ebooks. One of the most popular means is through ebooks. Ebook authors are in constant need of covers, so there is always demand for art designers. But before you join the flock on Amazon, you need to let your passion for art get kindled. On Kindle Direct Publishing, you can upload your design and get a template to show you how the book would look like. The next step is to go to Canva and create the design. Amazon.com is the next site to visit. On Amazon, you can upload your work. You should make designs for books that do not need much art. Journals, notebooks, and memo pads fall under this category. These books need 2 or 3 pages of art, which is usually the front and back page, then blank spaces in between. Amazon would do the printing for you whenever it is needed, but for the book to be bought, the art must be enticing to viewers, so make sure you put out quality work. Seeing one poor quality work from you can discourage a user from stopping to peruse through another work of yours. Personalized products. For art that is customized or personalized, a good place to start selling is Redbubble. The site hosts sellers of art designs that would be suited for items such as mugs, t-shirts, and even gift boxes. You can sign up to sell your work, or you can simply click the Sell Your Art button on the homepage. You get paid each time someone buys an item with your design on it. There is no need for an inventory, and all you need to do is become a member by signing up. Logo and stickers. This is a very profitable niche on Fiverr and is worth delving into. You would need to create a Fiverr account using your email account. Be sure to create a seller account, as that is the only way you would be able to sell your designs on Fiverr. After you have created your account, the next steps are relatively easy. Go to your profile, add logo design to your list of skills, and click on Create New Gig to create a gig for yourself. Your gig is for a logo design, and you can add pricing and other information on it. Check the logo design category to see similar gigs from other users. Pinterest pins. There are millions of ideas on Pinterest, and there are several bucks to be made from them. You can create designs using Canva and then put them on your Pinterest account. You will need to create one if you don't have any. That is not where you will be selling them, though. To sell your art, you will need to make use of Fiverr. The pins you uploaded already on Pinterest are there as a lure for potential customers. On Fiverr, you can search Pinterest pins and browse through the host of open gigs. Create a gig and begin to sell your designs. You can also be a Pinterest manager. You will find users charging as much as $100 on Fiverr for this gig. A Pinterest manager is in charge of updating and maintaining a client's Pinterest account. This means you will have to create pins for the account. Social media content. This method depends largely on your aim. On a social media space like Facebook, you will most likely not earn but would be able to get an audience for your work, which is the next best thing. If you have a page, you can use Canva to create content for your page's cover picture or profile picture. You can also upload free templates on your page to get user engagement. Instagram highlights. This is a good niche to try if you are interested in creating social media content. You will be creating art designs for Instagram stories for a fee. You can go directly to Instagram users and send a direct message to state your business, or you could create a gig on Fiverr. If you intend to do the former, you should have some credibility on Instagram first. A common question asked is, how much can a user make with Canva? There is no straight answer for this because of many varying factors, but you can make as much as $2,000 a month with Canva. And it is not an estimate, it is a fact. It depends on your intensity, consistency, and how many designs you can make every day. Large sums of income can come from third-party sites like Redbubble and Amazon. Making use of Canva is easy and would suit beginners in graphic design. Continuous practice and consistency are key to earning much using Canva. As a novice, you will have to make do with the little fees at the beginning, but as you get better, you will be able to charge more. I'll end this video with a question. How many times did I mention money? I would love to read your answers in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button for both this video and all others I'll be dropping this month so you can get a chance to win $100. Don't forget to hit the like button for both this video and all the others I'll be dropping this month to go ahead and have a chance to win $100,000.